Okay, what's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here checking in. Today, I'm going to show you how our Clean Biz Network lead generation service works, all right? So, as you can see, I have the Calculated Clean app open on my phone, and I'm going to do it through the app. But you can also do this by simply going to www.cleanbiznetwork.com. I guess you could do it at Calculated Clean as well, but the main way is to do it at cleanbiznetwork.com. And then when you go on that home page, you go down to lead generation and click on that, okay? But since I'm in the app, I'm just going to click on get leads to the left, that orange icon. All right, and then once I click that, it takes me right to the lead generation service page. It is the exact same way on cleanbiznetwork.com. All right, so if you want to know how everything works, you just read all the details here. Let you know that we handle the cold call scripts. You don't have to worry about telling us what to say. We create a list of leads to call for you, so you don't have to worry about who we're going to call or any of that. Okay, you tell us where you are, and we'll start calling the businesses in your area. We provide you with your appointments within your deadline date. Okay, so the deadline date is based around the day that you purchase. Okay, so if you purchase today, we have 30 business days from today to provide you with one appointment. Okay, then for every additional appointment you buy after the first one, we get an additional 10 business days to provide you with those appointments. All right, now will it really take us 30 business days plus to get you those appointments? Absolutely not. We typically get you your appointments well before your deadline date. However, sometimes we do get a little bit backed up, and it might get closer to that. But 9 times out of 10, it won't take us nearly that long. All right. We schedule the appointments for you and send them directly. We schedule the appointments for you and send a notification directly to your email. So make sure that you put 2 good working emails, because we're going to send you your appointments directly to your email account. All right. The appointments are guaranteed. So again, this is not like Home Advisor where we send you a lead and you have to call and get your appointment scheduled for a walkthrough. We schedule the walkthrough appointment for you. All you have to do is go out there and close the deal. And then of course, these appointments are exclusive to you. Okay, so we're not sending the same appointment to anybody else. This appointment is specifically for you. We called on your behalf, and so we expect you to show up and go to that appointment. All right, nobody else going to that appointment. It's just you. All right. So all you would do is fill out this application. So I'm gonna put AJ Simmons. All right. Company name, CBN, email. So I put my email here. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put this one. All right, and then I'm gonna put my backup email, phone number. Right, and then you want to put your state. So let's just say I was located in Virginia, and then I wanted the first city that I service to be Portsmouth, Virginia. Second city I service is Chesapeake, and then Virginia Beach. And then let's just say that those are the only 3 cities that I want to service. So you don't have to put 5. We can put up to 5. And you can even put more too if you decide to. Just email admin@cleanbiznetwork.com, and you can let us know if you got more appointments more cities that you want to service. Are you available for weekend appointments? I am. What time of day are you available for appointments? Typically, we always set appointments at 10 o'clock by default, but sometimes the customer might ask, can we come at like maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon? So just let us know here if you're available anytime or only mornings or whatever the case may be. Would you like to receive appointments for apartment move outs also? So if you want move in, move out for apartments, you can click yes there. If you also want to receive appointments for hotels, you can click yes there. All right, or you can click no. All right, do you have any other notes that you want us to know? Nope, I'm good to go. I just want some of these. All right, and then you acknowledge that we can set an appointment for any type of commercial building or for apartment move out cleanings if you do not wish for us to get apartment move outs, we will adhere to your request. All right, but basically what this is asking is you understand that we can get you a lead for any type of commercial account. So even if you put here, I want medical, we'll do our best to get medical for you first, but we're not guaranteeing you that you're going to get medical. Okay, so that's all this is saying here. You acknowledge that. Then it says that it is recommended that you have or acquire at least a $1 million in general liability coverage for your company and be prepared to present this coverage to any potential client. So typically when you do a walkthrough, you submit your proposal and you're about to close the deal, the customer may ask for proof of insurance and all that, or they might even ask you, are you insured during the walkthrough? So this is just a common courtesy that we're letting you know, hey, make sure you got insurance and all of that together before you go, just in case they ask you. You don't have to have that in order to use this service, but this is just a general recommendation, all right? Then down here, you will select how many leads you want, all right? So let's just say you wanted 5, all right? Then if you're with the Clean Biz Network, you can enter your coupon code here. Otherwise, you probably won't have a coupon code, so I'm going to enter mine. All right, then once you enter that payment information, you come down to the details. Please allow us up to 30 business days. I went over that. If your appointment is not found and emailed to you within the deadline date, you can be refunded for the outstanding balance of the appointments within 14 days of the original deadline date, should you request to be refunded. Or we can continue looking for appointments to fulfill your purchase. All right, it depends on what you want. Do you want a refund or do you want us to continue looking? All right, you are responsible for closing the deal on these appointments. Again, these are not guaranteed accounts. These are guaranteed walkthrough appointments, all right? So you still have to close the deal. We are not responsible if you miss your appointments, all right? So if you need to reschedule with your appointment because you missed it, make sure that you coordinate that with the actual appointment and not with us, all right? Make sure you add admin@cleanbiznetwork.com as well as no reply at formresponses.com to your contacts in your email, so that way you won't get sent to the spam folder. Any of our emails won't get to your sent to your spam folder. All right, all leads provided, all appointments provided to you have expressed interest in receiving a price quote for cleaning services. However, no guarantee was provided by the lead to hire you for your service. So again, we're not guaranteeing you accounts or contracts or customers. We're simply guaranteeing you the opportunity to present your proposal. All right, these people are agreeing to us several times. So we have a salesperson call one time to get the appointment scheduled. Then we have a person call back a second time to confirm. There's a whole different person calling back to confirm that that person agreed to it. And then we also record that call to make both calls to make sure that you understand that they definitely agreed to this appointment. All right. The leads to provided to you can be for any commercial niche. We already went over that. All right. The leads provided you can, I already went over that. Oh, it also can be provided for any commercial service, okay? So not only for commercial cleaning, but it could be for strip and wax, it could be for one-time jobs, deep cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting, carpet cleaning, etc., okay? We don't necessarily guarantee that it's going to be for janitorial recurring service. It could be for a one-time job, all right? We simply provide the leads, all right? Now, if we send you a lead that you deem that's not valid and we deem is not valid also, we'll replace it, but your deadline date will no longer be valid, but we will get you that replacement appointment as soon as possible. All right. If we are not able to find you an appointment within the first city that you list, we will move forward to the next option and so on until we can get you an appointment. We reserve the right to send you an appointment for a business located in any of the cities that you listed though. So we're going to try to get the city that you list first, but we can send you an appointment for any of the cities that you list, all right? And then the terms of this agreement are subject to change, but you agree to adhere to the updates and changes that are made to this agreement, all right? And then if you click agree, you click there, and then you click submit. So that's all it is to it. So you click submit. You can read the frequently asked questions at the bottom also, if you want. That's pretty much it, all right? Now, once you submit that application to get your lead, you want to check your email, all right? So I'm going to go to my email account. And then you'll see at the top, I got this new email from the Clean Biz Network Lead Generation Service. It says, hi, AJ Simmons. Welcome to the Clean Biz Network Lead Generation Service. Be tentative to your email over the next 30 business days to ensure you don't miss your appointments. Within the next 30 business days, you will receive your bid appointment or appointments to this email address. Thank you for your patience and we'll be in touch soon. And then it just goes on to tell you different details. You can contact Bell at admin@cleanbiznetwork.com if you have any questions about the lead generation service. And that's pretty much it. It'll show you a copy of your application and everything that you entered, just so you can have proof of what you put in as well. And that's all it is to it, all right? And so then after this, you'll start getting appointment confirmation emails that'll show you exactly your appointment, all right? So I'm going to show you an example of the appointment confirmation email that you'll receive once your appointments start coming in. All right, so this is an example of what your appointment notification will look like when you get the email, all right? So it's going to read, hey, whatever your name is, and then it's going to say your commercial cleaning service bid appointment at the name of the company is scheduled, all right? See the details below, and then what's very important is your bid appointment has already been confirmed. Please do not call to confirm again, as this may jeopardize the lease interest after receiving multiple calls from us already. So what we're saying is we already called these people twice to confirm. If you turn around and call them for a third time, trust me, they will get annoyed and cancel the lead, all right? So we ask that when you use our service that you do not call ahead of time. Just show up at the time specified on this email, all right? And then it just gives you a couple more details about the appointment. And if you scroll down, you'll see the appointment name. So the person that you're going to meet, you'll see their phone number, you'll see the company's name, you see the company's address, the scheduled appointment time, so the date and time of it, then any additional notes that we might want to let you know of. And then also we leave you an MP3 recording of when we talk to the person, so you can hear for yourself that we have proof that they confirmed this appointment and want you to come out. And then at the end, we just let you know who actually made the call for this appointment as well. And then below that, we let you know that if you have any issues with the appointment, you need to report that within 24 hours of the appointment in order for this issue that you have to be acknowledged, all right? So if you want us to replace it, or if you have an issue, or you feel like something was wrong, you email us within 24 hours, admin@cleanbiznetwork.com, and we'll get back to you within normal business hours. Our business hours for the lead generation service is Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 3:30 p.m. Eastern time, all right? And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this MP3 recording just so you can get a taste of what it sounds like when we actually confirm these calls, all right? So if you click that little the blue letters there with the MP3, and you can listen to actually what was said, all right? All right, now here's a copy of this particular appointment's recording when we talk to them on the phone, so you can take a listen for yourself.
Virtual Love Academy, Ms. Monica speaking. May I help you?
Hi, Monica. Good day. This is Bella, the manager from CBN Cleaning. I'm just calling back to reconfirm our free estimate for sanitation and cleaning services on October 8th at 10 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Monica. We'll see you. Have a great one. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
And so as you can see, that appointment was confirmed. That was not the initial call that we made to get the appointment. That's the second call that we used to confirm the appointment, all right? So once it's confirmed, we make sure we save it in our folder and we can attach it to this notification and send it over to you. And then you're all set. You just show up a little early, be dressed to impress, and try to close that deal. So hopefully this video was able to help you, and maybe you'll be invested in our lead generation service soon. Thank y'all for watching. I'm AJ Simmons of the Clean Biz Network. Thank y'all.